Analysis channel. Today I will be doing analysis on Cocos. Cocos has a rally around the beginning of the year and it started trading into a sideways. As it's trading into sideways, when you look at the chart carefully, you will see that Cocos is digesting its previous rally and the volume was less. That is telling us that traders are holding tight, they are not willing to sell their coin and they are waiting for the next rally to pick up. Let me now show you what is happening at the moment in Cocos. When you look at this chart carefully, you will see that from this point around late April, it drops down drastically. It falls below the 50-day moving average, heading towards the 200-day moving average. But the volume was well below the average volume, and as the volume was well below the average volume, it's very good indication that there is no much activity going on the seller side. The sellers are not gaining volume, they are getting weaker and weaker with less volume section by section. And as it's traded towards the support zone, which is around the 200-day moving average, it started having a volume picking up. This volume is above average a little bit and the back close is upward around the top of its range. That shows us that it's bouncing off its support and it's heading up to the prior resistance, which I indicate with uptrend resume. You can see the prior section has a very strong upward closing bar and the volume is so huge. The volume is above average and it's more than about 15 or 20 sections volume. So that is telling us that the momentum has started picking up. Traders have started piling in on their orders and there is lot of attention going on in Cocos for now. So if you want to have a low risk entry, you have to be it's better you enter your trade around the support zone, because now it's breaking above the 50-day moving average, that and the volume is huge. That's still very nice indication and that's still a very good price to come into the trade. Why our next focus will now be on the prior resistance price, which is at 2.0629. Once it gets to around that price and it traded towards 2.1, then we know the uptrend that finally resumed and Cocos will continue its rally. That's the detail on that area of entry. Let me now go into the projection, which is the target area. Before we go into that, I want to show you the big picture. You can see when Cocos bottom and its first launch is prior resistance, then it dropped back to the moving averages before rising up to 0.1. It made around 519% move, and that's now our target from the breakout point from where the uptrend resume area is. So when you look at now, we extend our projection at 519% increase. So our target on Cocos is 13.0000. That's our target on Cocos. I'm now zooming out so you can see the big picture of how it has been behaving and you can see what next Cocos is doing. If this analysis really helped you, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, paste it in the video comment section. Thanks for watching.